Hey there, Oello family. It's Devin with Oello Lighting Solutions. I'm here to chat through some new products that you might have seen already hit the store. We're currently still adding them to our inventory. So if you need to have an immediate job for some of these, reach out to us, make sure it's in stock. I got about 4 new products here I'm going to kind of chat you guys through. The first, we call it our CLTD channel, and that one's going to be right here. It's going to be the exact same profile as our CLT channel, but what's different about it is where the light holes are going to be. So if we look at it here, there's no holes there. The holes are in the bottom of the channel. This is perfect for dark sky compliance in certain neighborhoods where the lights have to be pointed down and maybe there's no soffit to mount to. Or commercial buildings where it's just a concrete or stucco parapet wall. You can mount it right to that wall, keep the light shining down. We've added 2 new members to the CL family. We have our old stalwart CL, which all you guys are familiar with. We have our CLT, and then we have our CL extra tall CLXT channel. So this one, again, is just a taller version of our CLT channel, and it is great for those homes with extra deep soffits so that you don't have to add any blocking or spacers to this channel. It's just a taller variation. It'll work great for houses that have big timber soffits or fascias that are hanging down too far. And our goal is always to get this channel even with the bottom of that fascia so that they can see the light source and get the glow. From there, we'll move on to more products revolving around our CL channel. We have our inside and outside pre-made corner pieces. We are really excited about these. We think these will speed up your guys' installs and make it a lot easier to train new employees and get them going fast so that jobs look perfect once they're installed. These are great for quick 45 cuts so that you don't have to screw around with miter cuts. They're also great to be used on boat docks where you may not want a fresh cut, sharp corner there. We can use a pre-made corner there so that there's no sharp edges. These will be available in all standard colors and they'll be ready to ship.